Raise your hand if this sounds familiar. You set a huge goal, like I'll write a book or I'll get fit. But by day 3, you're already overwhelmed. Suddenly, that big dream feels impossible. You procrastinate, you doubt yourself, and eventually, you quit. But here's the truth. It's not you. It's your strategy. Trying to eat the whole pizza in one bite is how we all fail. Let's fix that. Imagine your goal is like this little guy. You wouldn't yell at it for not being a tree yet, right? You'd water it daily, give it sunlight, celebrate every new leaf. That's the tiny win strategy. Today, I'll show you 3 stupidly simple steps to turn any goal from, "Oh my God, how?" to, "Hey, I've got this." And spoiler, it takes less effort than scrolling TikTok. Step 1. Define your tiny win. Let's play a game. Take your big goal. Say, I want to read 50 books this year, and shrink it. What's the tiniest, easiest version of that? Read 1 page a day. Boom, that's your tiny win. The key? Make it so small your brain goes, "That's all. Phew, I can do that." Because momentum beats motivation every time. Step 2. Track it visually. No apps needed. Your brain loves visual wins, so grab a sticky note, a whiteboard, or your fridge door. No, your Notes app doesn't count. We need something you'll see. Every time you hit that tiny win, slap a check mark on there. Why? Because progress feels real when you see it. And guess what? 1 check mark turns into 2, then 10. And suddenly, you're unstoppable. Step 3. Celebrate like a toddler. Seriously, when's the last time you celebrated brushing your teeth? Exactly. We wait for big wins to party, but tiny wins deserve that too. Did you read that page? Do a little dance. Did you walk for 5 minutes? Text a friend, "I'm a rock star." Celebrating rewires your brain to crave progress, and before you know it, you'll want to keep going. So here's your homework. Pick 1 tiny win today. Write it down, track it, celebrate it. Remember, big goals aren't achieved in giant leaps. They're built 1 tiny, joyful win at a time. Now, go out there and make progress stupidly simple. You've got this.